Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to see simplification problems. So we know that in a simplification we have to follow some rules. Like you can observe in this question we have three kinds of bracket. First one is this bar, which is also considered as a bracket. Then we have a round brackets, or you can say smaller brackets. Then we have a curly brackets, and then at last we have a large, which is a square brackets. So we are gonna open them in this order. First we will open the bar, then a brackets, round one, then a curly bracket, then square brackets. So in this order we will open their brackets and we will solve this equation. So children, let's solve it. We have a 2 minus 3 in bracket 6 minus 5 minus. So first I'm gonna solve this one. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Then these brackets will be closed as it is. Then again 2 minus 3 minus in bracket 6 minus. Now I'm gonna solve this inner bracket. This is a 5 minus 1. Innermost bracket will be solved first, then later on like this. So 5 minus 1 is what? 4. Then next is 2 minus 3 in bracket. Now friends, this is the time to open this bracket. 6 minus 4. So that is 6 minus 4, we'll get a 2 here. This bracket is removed. Again we have a 2 minus. Now we will open this bracket. 3 minus 2 is 1. So at last 2 minus 1 is 1. So in this way we have to simplify them. So now next problem is we have 5 in bracket 18 divided by 8 minus 5 minus 30 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. So children, we are solving these problem according to BODMAS rule, and we are remembering in mind the openings of the bracket. So first we will open this bar bracket. So here it will be 5 in bracket 18 divided by 8 minus 5, we'll get a 3 here, minus 30 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. Next innermost bracket we will solve. This is 5. Remember here no sign is there, means there is a multiplication sign. So here will be the division is 3 divided by 18 divided by 3, which will be 6. Again we have a minus 30 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. Then next we'll solve this bracket. First multiplication we will solve. 5 6 are 30 minus 30 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. 30 minus 30 will be 0 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. Now we'll go for the multiplication and division. In that we will solve division first. 2 into 10 divided by 5 will be 2. Then 0 plus 4. So final answer is what? 4.